Located in the first column, 634 winners. Congratulations, Amy, Squad Victor, Hassan, top 5 winners. Special compliments to you. Enjoy by the time it is. You're more than welcome to place your bet on your favorite number or the number you think is lucky to you or the number you might think is going to be hit by the lightning strike. Final seconds, no more bets. 34 red guys, 500 eggs on 18. Good luck. 11 black is the winning number. Low what number it is? Yes, sir. Go get in the tier section. 684 winners. Congratulations. Special on the star rating. Casino Unit 8. Just some mile. Top 5 winners. Special compliments. Well done. Enjoy. Betting time is yours, guys. Let's start a brand new round. I wish you best of the luck. And let's see, guys, what this round will have in store for us. Final seconds. No more bets. Good luck to you. All eyes on lightnings. Yes, sir. 3 lightning numbers. We're going to 9 red, 16 red, and 30 red, guys. 150 X and 30. Good luck to you. $35 black it is. High odd number. That's right. One of the coldest numbers on the wheel, 638 winners. Congratulations for taking more compliments. Doctor and me, Demon YY, top 5 winners. Special comments to enjoy. Betting time is yours. Same as auto play option. Feel free to use it. Newcomers, good evening. Welcome to a lightning roulette. And how you doing? I hope your Saturday's evening going lovely. Final seconds, no more bets, guys. And let's check it out. Them lightning numbers. That's right. 3 lightning numbers. We're gonna 18 red, 21 red, and 32 red, guys. 100. $18 red it is, ladies and gentlemen. With a 100x multiplier, 318 lightning winners, 620 winners in total. Casino, Victor, TT, Delta, LS, top 5 winners. Special compliments to you. Well done. Let's check it out. Their hump numbers, guys. We got a 4 black, 13 red, 26 black, 3 red, 29 black. Those are the hottest numbers on the wheel right now. Final seconds, guys, before we're gonna enter that lightning round. Final seconds and no more bets. Let's see them lightnings, guys. Let's see what this round is gonna deliver us. Which is 13 black, 20 black, and 29 black, guys. 100x on 29. Good luck. Hey, black is the winning number. Low even number it is. That's right. Look at it in the tier sections. Congratulations. 676 winners. 277. BL Jacqueline. Silver top 5 winners. Enjoy a betting time it is. Let me remind you guys, if you want to attend a lightning round, you must place that straight up bet, and straight up bet pays 30 to 1 payout, including your initial bet. That's right. Final seconds. No more bets, guys. All eyes on lightning. Or lightning numbers. We got 3 lightnings this time. 6 black, 17 black, 33 black, guys. All with 100x. Good luck to you. 1 red is the winning number, guys, which is 1 low odd number. Look at in the all flying section. 582 winners. Congratulations. AAA TT. You're the top 5 winners. Special comments to you. Enjoy. Betting time it is, and let's carry on the session, guys, with a new round. Let's hope this round gonna bring us some great success, some lovely multipliers. No more bets. Good luck to you. All eyes on lightning numbers. We got 3 lightning numbers this time. 13 black, 16 red, 24 black, guys. 100x on 16 and 13. Good luck. Alrighty, 17 black, guys, is the winning number. Low award number it is. Overline section, 702 winners. Congratulations, Casino. As is Upal Hala. Top 5 winners. Special compliments goes to you. Enjoy. Betting time is yours. Remember, guys, you're more than welcome to fill that betting game, guys. Those you see the most shaking numbers. That means most of the bets has been placed exactly on those numbers. Number bets, let's get it. Good luck to you guys. All eyes on it. Lightning, trigger the 4 lightning numbers 2, 6, 8, and number 31, guys. All with 100x. Good luck to you. Ten black is the one in the below, even number it is, ladies and gentlemen. To your section, first dozen, 566 winners. Enjoy betting time. It's yours, BBX12, Tarex TT. Free to use it, new hello. Welcome, how you doing? Let's go, new round, new opportunity. I wish everybody best of the luck. Let's go, 5 seconds, guys. No more bets. Let's see them lightnings now, and we have 3 lightnings this time. 5 red, 10 black, and 29 black, guys. 100x on 29. Good luck. Right, we're going to 19 red, guys, which is a high odd number. Look at the second dozen. 678 1